Today I thought I'd do a quick video review on my new home studio setup for voiceover work and podcasting. This is a super portable and easy solution that gives professional quality results and the flexibility to easily record with different microphones, all on a budget. What's up guys, Joel from Videoshift here. Now, if you're a content creator like me, you'll probably be used to recording a ton of voiceover already. But how easy is it for you to actually record at home? Maybe you already own some microphones from your video gear that you want to use with your computer. Or maybe you're just looking to invest in a desk mic specific for voiceover. Make sure you stick around because I'll be going over exactly why I went for this setup and some things to consider before investing in your own home studio on a budget. Now, a quick heads up, the sound you're hearing is from my lapel microphone, completely separate to what we'll be talking about, but I'll demo the desk microphone shortly. So what's the purpose of this home studio? Well, this studio allows me to plug in multiple XLR microphones to my PC laptop for flexible recordings and interviews. I can read scripts for voiceover from my laptop screen while recording using my LEWITT LCT 240 microphone. As you can see, I have a pretty small desk area to work with here, so I needed a small recording solution without compromising on quality. I also travel a lot for work, so portability was a big factor here too. Okay, so let's quickly go over the components of this setup and why everything's here. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, and you'll find all the links mentioned in this video below. First up is the LEWITT LCT 240 condenser microphone. The audio you're hearing right now is recorded on this microphone. Now, this is a great sounding microphone, but this is actually my second attempt at recording this video on this mic, mainly because you have to make sure that you're not too far away or too close to the microphone, just to make sure you get the most quality recording on this mic, as with any microphone. For optimal sound quality, I would recommend setting up an actual vocal booth with some acoustic panel foam to deaden the sound. You can get this for super cheap, but it's purely optional. I'm not currently using any acoustic panel foam on my walls. Some of you audiophiles may be horrified by this, but I will be setting up a dedicated vocal booth in the future. If you haven't heard of LEWITT before, LEWITT microphones started back in 2010 and are designed and engineered in Vienna, Austria, and manufactured at their own facility in China. LEWITT delivers new, innovative microphone designs that are versatile and offer a great bang for your buck. It's basically an Austrian quality microphone and a Chinese price tag. On this model, I also went for accessories. The LEWITT microphone shock mount for absorbing any unwanted knocks while recording to add extra security when doing long recordings like interviews and podcasts. And the LEWITT LCT 50 PSX magnetic pop filter, which is exclusive to LEWITT's mics, and it takes up absolutely no room, unlike other pop filters on the market. For my table microphone stand, I'm using the K&M mini boom arm with the K&M table stand base. The base is weighty and solid, but the whole setup is pretty light and super compact for travel, and especially for smaller desk spaces like mine, it's great. Now, the Evo 4 USB audio interface is a key product in this setup. This is a super affordable, tiny 2-in, 2-out audio interface. With this, you can capture your XLR microphones and instruments to start recording audio directly to your computer. You've got some really good stuff on this. Features like Smart Gain, which sets your gain volume levels automatically for the best recording settings with literally a one-button press. You've got smart touch controls, headphone and speaker control, and loop-in audio, which lets you record your computer's sound while recording your microphones at the same time, which is great for streamers or gaming or recording screen capture tutorials. The Evo 4 preamp has a near perfect noise floor performance and sound quality for quality recordings. In my setup, my LEWITT mic, speakers and headphones all plug into the Evo 4, and it just has the one USB cable going into my computer, and I can easily switch between recording or monitoring. Next up are my EDIFIER R1700BT Bluetooth speakers. These are an awesome addition to any home studio setup. I probably wouldn't travel with these, but they're super affordable. They have an amazing vintage wooden finish and professional controls and inputs. You can say what you want about desk speakers, but these are the best looking pair I've seen on the market in the lower price range bracket in my opinion. They come with a few handy cables to plug left and right audio into your computer, home theater system, or in my case, I picked up 2 cheap jack to RCA cables going into my Evo 4, so I can just easily adjust my volume using the Evo. The main EDIFIER speaker also has adjustable bass, treble, and volume dials on the side. I run mine at a medium 0 bass and -1 treble. Oh, and did I mention these bad boys are Bluetooth and they do come with a remote? They did really think of everything when they built these. For headphones, I use my Sony MDR 7506 professional headphones. These are industry standard monitoring headphones with a closed ear design, meaning it covers your whole ear for a more comfortable fit and better sound quality. The headphones do an outstanding job of cutting down background noise while providing plenty of volume in the studio or out in the field. They fold up into themselves for travel, and the twirly phone style cable is really nice along with quality connections and a felt carry case as well. They come with a jack connection which you can unscrew and make a mini jack, which actually is a super handy feature. So that's the main parts to this setup. A few other honorable mentions of things I find really handy on my desk are a USB hub. It's an absolute essential. I never have enough USB ports on my computer, so make sure you get a USB 3.0 device or faster. I prefer gaming mouses and RGB lit keyboards, mainly because of the extra attention to detail they have, and they just look awesome. I also use a nice big 300 by 400 millimeter gaming mouse pad, which just about fits on my tiny desk. And for storage portability, you can't go past the LaCie rugged lineup of external hard drives. Since I shoot a lot of video as well as my audio recordings, I like to go for the 4 terabyte versions of these. Well, that's it guys. If you found this setup helpful, please leave a thumbs up, comment below any tips and tricks you have for your own home studio recordings, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the bell on.